of her views regarding the theme. She said that being creative is being innovative, full of ideas and alternatives. So now it's time for a speech. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Richa. Please check that you're audible and visible.
I hope I am audible and visible.
Yeah.
Let me see a thumbs up. Okay. I have a dream, a song to sing. I have a dream, a song to sing. If you ever wonder of a fairy tale, you will take the future, even if it fails. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I have a dream. I'll cross the stream. How many of you love to dream or dream every night? May I have a note in the chat or maybe a thumbs up just to figure out how many of you love to dream? I'm sure most of us. And believe me, some of us love to be even lost in our dreams. As an Aquarian, I am one person who loves to dream every night. And in fact, I just love to live in my dreams as well. But do you think just dreaming is going to be enough for us? Or we need to do something else? My dear friends, dreams alone never work. Dreams alone just can't do anything in your life. To achieve your goals in your life, to convert your dreams into reality, you must take an extra step. You must push your limits and take one step more. If you will be where you are right now, then you will always get what you have achieved till date. And if you want to do something extra or you want to achieve something more, then be ready to put in more efforts. As simple as that. Last year, I decided to do something more. As a mentor to so many students across the globe, I help them in their interview skills, communication, in making their resume an effective one, and in getting the dream job. But believe me, that was not enough. Something was there which was not happening, which was not giving me a sense of contentment. My dear friends, we all have to do something more. We all need to be ingenuity and push our own limits. So to do that, I thought of starting one Facebook group where I could get everybody under one umbrella. I used to train at Sikkim Manipal University, lovely professional, then Guru Nanak in Hyderabad, then University of Petroleum in Dehradun, Amritsar College of Engineering. So you can understand that as a soft skills trainer, I just can't be everywhere. I know I might be omnipresent, but it's only possible in the virtual world, not actually. So when I started with this Facebook group known as Communication and Soft Skills for You, I was happy. Believe me, I did had to spend extra effort, extra hours to it. But at the end of the day, there was a sense of contentment. It was a pleasure to see my students happy, and it was an extreme delight to see them getting their goals achieved, to see them doing something what they always wanted to. Most of us keep looking for the people who are successful. Most of us actually remember the name of the winners in life, and we all love to discuss a lot of things about those who have got their jobs. But have you ever thought of those who have not been able to reach heights? What is to be done? Do you think they are supposed to be left at wheresoever they are? No, my dear friends, This is something what was irritating me from a long time. And that was the motive behind starting this group on Facebook. I used to push every student. I used to sit with them, go through their resume, help them in making it more effective. And believe me, it really worked. As I just told you, it is a pleasure and it gives you a lot of contentment. It is a feeling of achievement. So I want you all to do something like this. You all are talented. Believe me, you all are unique in your own special way. Though we just can't see our uniqueness on our own. And that is the reason we require a mentor. A mentor is somebody who can not only guide you but handhold you in your journey, but can also tell you that this is one area where you can excel. So why don't you start doing something more? It is your turn to contribute something to this world. You all have been sitting in your own cocoons. You all just keep cribbing and looking at something what you don't have. But why don't you look at those things which you possess? It is a human tendency to just keep looking at the half glass which is not filled. Why don't you look at the other half of the glass which is already filled with water? Each one of you is stronger than you think you are. Each one of you has got at least one skill in which you can excel, and that is your strength. Maybe that is just sketching or playing guitar or just sitting and chanting, doing meditation, or maybe driving, typing, or just building some applications. You know better. Believe me, you know better that thing in which you are good in. The only problem is we hardly talk to this wonderful gentleman. We hardly spend time with the most genius person on earth. This lockdown 2020 gave me ample time to reflect. And then I thought of doing something more. Yes, my dear friends, at the end of the day, never stop yourself from growing. It is good to be creative, but one should never stop innovating new ideas. Otherwise, your people will get bored. They will lose the interest. So I thought, okay, it's good that I have started with this group. It's nice that I have started pushing people, but I should do something more now. And this lockdown 2020, I conducted lot of speech contests. To spread positivity and happiness, I thought, what is to be done? I need to add something with the speech contest. So the title of the speech contest was, you need to tell me the blessing. The lockdown 2020 was a blessing. So my purpose was to make everybody think about only the positive things and distract them from all the negativity. Because this phase of staying at home and staying safe without job at home actually landed up to a lot of depression. There were so many people who were not doing well. There were so many cases of suicides as well. You all know that. There were so many businesses who failed, who have closed down, because the principle of life is survival of the fittest. So lockdown 2020, a blessing, a speech contest was not the only thing that I conducted. After that, we thought as a team to start something more, because as an Indian, we are known for our values. To spread our culture and soft skills all over the globe, we conducted a shlok contest, because India is rich in its culture and traditions. But this is not the end, my dear friends. So every weekend we hold something or the other which is new for them, which keeps creating curiosity in everybody, that what is the newest thing that is happening in the Facebook group that they should be aware of. So you have been hearing my ideas. Even only I have been talking and telling you. So stop just getting motivated. Motivation is just for a moment. What you need to do is take that extra step. Believe me, It is time for each one of you to contribute at least one thing, to help people with at least one skill, whatever knowledge you have. Maybe it is of computers, maybe it is of engineering, whatsoever background you have. Let us help together to make this world a better place to live in. Believe me, my dear friends, if you will just keep on sitting in your own world, then nothing will happen. I remember attending one conference just 15 days back, and the professor asked his students, "Are you all happy?" The students said, "No, sir." Then the next question the professor asked was, "Do you want a change?" All the students shouted loudly, "Yes, sir, we are looking for a change." And the third question he asked was, "Are you ready for a change?" All the students bowed down with their heads down. They were quiet. This is a fact, my dear friends. Nobody is ready to change. So I want you to change because you are a leader and you are a winner. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Richa.